Did anyone tried actually? No response. Did anyone tried? Please run the example. You will understand clear picture. So anyway, I'm continuing the same actually. One not seven. Come project. This we are going to close in another 15 minutes actually. Then I'm going to start NLP on high priority. Hmm. Come on. Maybe fifth one I need to tell. Am I right? Yeah. I will tell this version and remaining one you can take an assignment actually. If you understand the flow, the operations are very similar. So let me give a small recap. Uh, the motto for this project will be, I hope you already have seen yesterday, the project structure is very, very important. What is important? Whenever you are creating a project actually, how many files are available? Yeah, that files really matters. Like whenever you are opening any kind of project, where is a source folder? Inside source folder, how many things are available? Very, very important, sir. Good. So whole over the project we are doing, these all steps are very common, right? So the very first program is just like a project structure here you will understand. And in all other projects, we are writing a program. We are writing what exactly? Program. By using that, we are hitting the URL or else you are hitting the website actually. In that URL, data is available. What is available? Sometimes the client will give, boss, this is the data source point actually. You can hit the URL, you will get the data automatically, right? You have already have seen hitting the website. And there are few clients, what they will tell, they will give the database details. They will give what exactly? Database details. By using that, we can hit the database. That examples I can cover. Whenever you are hitting the any website, we are getting the data. With that data, we are creating a data frame. We are creating what exactly, sir? Data frame. Yeah, good. In a first version, what I explained, the project structure. In a second version, in a project number two, there is a great advantage with the init file, but we are not using that one actually. But in real time, you should understand how to utilize. Inside this file, what we can do is you can configure. You can what exactly, sir? Configure the function names. You can configure classes. You can configure. That is really good practice. Without configuring anything, we are running the project and we are getting an output actually, right? And here if you're not configuring, let me tell you, the package names will be something like a very long names, like a from ecom dot utilities dot tools import name of the function. Team, are you fine? you know Wondering. No response. Come on, any issue, talk with me. Yesterday I had a faculty meeting. First question, what is? Then here we are using underscore underscore init file. And by using this one also we are running the project. And yes, yeah, good. So ecom 4, sir, here what we are doing, we are running the program and we are using init file advantage actually, storing the data in a raw folder, storing the data in what exactly? Raw folder. Till here we are clear, I guess. Right, good. Now this one, what exactly this one? Let me walk through the code. You will understand very clearly. You will understand very clearly. Harish, I texted you already in your WhatsApp. Good. Please observe. Sir, as usual, we have a folder. What is the folder name? Data. Okay, good. Next one is a src read.md. Next one is requirement actually. Open the data. Yesterday, there is a one folder. What is that folder? Tell me, sir. There is a one folder yesterday. What is that folder name? raw folder. But today, one more folder. What is that folder? Yeah, what is this project purpose, good. Come on. Yeah, good. So we are running a program. We are running what exactly, sir? We are running a program and we are creating a data frame. Creating what exactly, sir? Data frame. Then that data frame we are saving into local. Saving into what exactly? Local. That local is nothing but a raw folder. Which folder, sir? Raw folder. Now here the motto will be, let us load this file. Let us load what exactly, sir? This file. From where exactly can somebody talk with me? Raw folder. Tell me, what is the location? Raw folder. Then do some small processing logic, a kind of some, you can just try to handle missing value. Handle what exactly, sir? Missing values. I'm sure you done actually. Want, you know how to handle missing value? Tell me how many ways? Is and a, by using that we need to check actually. But there are how many ways? Three ways. You can drop, you can replace, you can fill actually. Then after you're dropping, then I would like to say, now this is not a raw data. This is what exactly, sir? Processed data. What data? Processed data actually. Now processed data you need to store separately. Best examples are, let us take a vessels actually. So after eating you can keep inside in sink actually, but after washing can we keep in same place? No. So the point what you need to understand is, raw data is a different, processed data is a different. Once you processed the data, create one more folder, so that folder is a processor actually. That file you have to store inside of this location. Then let me explain this one how to do. Are you fine? Good. Let me explain. First of all, we'll do one thing. Let me delete this one, and let me even delete this one too. Good. Get ready. The project execution, where I need to start actually? Tell me. Where I need to start? Run underscore ecom. Open this one. Open this one. Good. Very good. As usual, we are from ecom import utilities. From ecom import what exactly? We have to imagine inside utilities, INIT file is available. We are planning to use that one. We are planning to what exactly, sir? Using that one. Good. Now you can, if you want, you can kindly walk through inside utilities. Delete this supporting folder, utilities, delete this supporting folder. Inside utilities, exactly. We are planning to use actually. Open this file, cross verify. Yeah, we have processor. We are configuring something. You tell me. Generally, I used to ask a question, right? Sir, functional class actually. How can you say? All are lowercase. That's what actually, right? Even this is the function. All right. Now the next line, please observe here. By using utilities dot, we are calling a function. What is that function? Load underscore data. Sir, whenever you're trying to calling this one, first of all, it will try to hit INIT file. And where exactly the function is available, here it is available. Then from inside this module, it will load the file automatically. Are you getting everyone? Good. I hope you know. Kindly please walk through this. Yeah. I trust you are able to understand actually, right? Yeah, good. Next one will be here. I have a question for you. What is the change? Can you help me? What is the change actually? First of all, by using this one, we are trying to first, we need to hit the website. We need to store the file into a local actually. Then do you think that the directory is the same actually? Yeah, users, okay. What is this one? Do you think Nirikshan? Yeah, Daniel actually. Good. What you need to do, just try to go to the folder location, sir. Please look at my screen. Ecom Vision 5, data, raw folder. Now copy this one. Take this one here actually. Now kindly please process this. Yeah, users, yeah, right? Nirikshan. I'm sorry, it is not a Nirikshan. Daniel. Desktop. Here it is displaying like a, what is the current path actually? Programs. Yeah, ecom 5, matching, data, matching, raw, matching, you can delete. Did you understand what I done actually, sir? So I just replaced current path actually. When I was writing this example, during that time, username is a Nirikshan and folder name is a project. But today, what is the folder name? Programs actually. Good. File is storing. That is that one task will be done actually. Move on to the next one. Did you understand? Yesterday, till here I covered actually. Yesterday, what exactly? Till here I covered. Now move on to the next example. Yeah, simple. We are just trying to calling process underscore items. Okay. Utilities dot process underscore data. Means what we are doing. Can somebody explain this line? Line number 71, 79. We are trying to loading a function where that function is available inside utilities. Inside utilities means where exactly? Tools actually. That's the flow, sir. You need to walk through here and there. You need to do some paperwork. Then only you will remember. Then only will remember actually. Now let me enter inside into tools. Let me enter inside into tools. Ecom vision. Please look at my screen. Tools where it is available inside SRC inside Ecom inside. Very good, man. Nice. Then let me open tools. Spend some time here. This function we already know. I no need to explain, please. I no need to explain, right? One more function is available. What is that function, sir? Talk with me. Process underscore data. This function you can ignore. Please focus on this one. What we are doing, please observe here actually. Sir, what exactly we are doing here, minimize this one. Okay, function name is a process underscore data. Very good. Inside this function, there is a raw folder. Inside raw folder, there is a file actually. That file we are trying to access. That's file we are trying to access. Then ultimately, we are applying some processing logic actually. I will tell you what is this logic. Then we are returning into the data frame. We are returning into what exactly? Data frame. Did you understand? Then let me explain. Here one change is required. What is that change? Very good. File path change. What is required actually? File path. Do one thing. Till raw folder. Let me just try to, let me just try to take the same thing. Go back, sir, please. You need to practice this example thoroughly, please. Raw folder. Take this one. Otherwise, previously here the location path is available, right, sir? This location path also you can take. Am I right or not? Right, good. Come here, take this one. Tools. I need your help actually. All right, done. Everything is valid. Everything is valid. Did you understand? Right, good. Now we are providing the name of the file actually. Then good. Please observe here. Uh, Renaming the column names, reading, order underscore date with the parse underscore date actually. Simple. So specific column names we are automatically renaming actually. Instead of applying rename method, what method? Rename method. And here we are pd dot read underscore csv. The file name we are providing. Names equals to calls. Names equals to what exactly? Recently I covered one more scenario, use calls, and this is the another scenario. Am I right or not, sir? Have you walked through Titanic data set? I explained a small scenario actually. This is the one more scenario actually. Skip rows in the sense, I just wanted to skip the first row. Do one thing. Whenever you're accessing this one, without this one, try to access actually. Why I'm skipping this one, you will understand. Let me repeat one more time. Without this one, try to print the data frame. You will understand why I'm skipping the first row. Why I'm skipping the first row. You do that assignment actually. Sir, are you ready? Can I run the example? Are you ready or not? Good. Let me run. Which file I need to run? Do I need to run tools actually? If I run tools actually, no function calling, nothing is there. No output. Can I run this file? No. Which file I need to run actually? This file I need to run. All right. So after processed, once we are storing, we are loading that one also. We are trying to loading that one also. Let me repeat one more time. We are processing. After processing, we are loading that file also. The processed file we are trying to storing here actually. Let me just try to take the same path. Here we are doing simple, sir. Small change. Can somebody guess what is the change? Yeah. Okay. Daniel desktop programs ecom vision. Do you think the path is valid actually? Only processed, no raw actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Fine then. We're done actually. So let me run this example. Look at my screen very clearly. I will do one thing. I will make it open this one. Sorry. I will make it open processed also. Both are empty. No, I'm trying to running the program. Are you ready? Good. I have a question for you. Which location first file will be created? Very good. After file is creating here, what is happening? We are loading the file from here, processing, and we are storing inside of this one. Am I right? Both things will be happening in one shot. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Sir, whoever all came yesterday, you will understand. Otherwise, hope you understand. All right. Are you ready? Can I run? Run? Let me run. Internet connection is required whenever you're running. Why? Because we are hitting website. Left hand side. First the file supposed to be created. That's the flow, sir. Real, yeah, file is created. Then processed file supposed to, yeah, created actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. So I would like to say, in real time, we are very simple. Very simple. Here, understanding the structure matters. What matters? One time you cannot understand. I know very well. One time. I'm explaining one time actually you cannot understand. You need to do thoroughly what is going on. Do small paperwork actually. Then only you will understand. Are you fine? Good. Kindly please walk through. And there are other versions also that I can provide you as an assignment actually. Kindly please take care of that one. Almost like these 10 versions I have done. I can upload all 10 actually. You guys need to practice. Nice examples. 5:30. Ecom vision. From 6 to 10 take as an assignment, sir. 6 to 10 take as an assignment. Just try to walk through and debug the code. You will understand. Okay. Sir, for you guys, let me start NLP. NLP is the part of deep learning. Come again, one more time. Yeah, yeah. Sir, I will cover. I will not skip anything as I promised actually. Very simple. Don't worry. So let us start. The topic name is NLP. What is the topic name? NLP. Good. So let me tell you. If you're having, come on, look at my screen. If you're having numerical data, especially structured data, ML works very well. Which one works very well? ML work. If you're having unstructured data, kind of some images actually, then no doubt at all, deep learning works very well actually. But hey, Daniel, I have only text related data. What data? Sir, there is a separate technique. The technique called as a NLP. What is the technique? What do you mean by NLP? You know, natural language processing. Natural language processing. Let me tell you, Chat GPT completely depend upon this only. Chat GPT actual. I mean, so these are all text models. What models actually? Text models. Text models. Divya, yes, exactly. Good. So let me start the discussion. Very easy, sir. Look at my screen, please. So first one, what is a natural language? We all use it to communicate with natural language. We may speak each other on daily basis for different purpose. It is very easy to speak rather than write. We are surrounded by text actually. Let me tell you, on daily, the day when you wake up till sleep actually, we are using text data. We are using what exactly? Text data for communication. To handle this text data, separately there are techniques. These techniques are called as a NLP techniques. What techniques are? Like a Telugu, that is called as a natural language. English, natural language. Hindi, natural language. Okay. We are all, used to communicate with natural languages. And on daily basis, we are surrounded by the text actually. Everywhere, wherever you go, think about how much text you used on daily actually. Science. If somebody is asking where is the direction, we can show. Instead of talking, we can show right side or left side, something like that. That is called as a signs or signals. Menus. You go for restaurant. Do you think they will show numbers actually? No, text data. What data? Text data. Menu, email, SMS, web page, and much more actually. So let me tell you, one day, 24 hours, don't talk anything actually, then you are saving the data. Conclusion of the story, we are using more text data, something like a string, something like what exactly? String actually. So the list is endless, web pages and much more actually. Now think about the speech. We may speak to each other on daily basis actually. Here also I have written the same point. Whenever you are talking, I hope you know the more text data is releasing actually, sir. We need to understand more about the text related data. Text to data also having the separate methodologies to analyze the data. This point is important. How a numerical numbers having the techniques actually, like a you're having all. Sir, let me tell you, I'm going to. So if you want, let me tell you. There is a one good website, sir. If you give me 1 minute, I will tell you what is that. No, not this. Not even this. Yeah, yeah, maybe this one. No, sir. Please be patient, sir. I already checked here actually. All right. So let me tell you. Till now, by using machine learning, we are predicting the what exactly sales we are predicting. Next one is mocks we are predicting. Am I right? Now, let me take a one small sentence actually. I am going to what exactly? To. Can somebody talk with me? Next word, NLP techniques can predict actually. What is the next word? What exactly, sir? Next word actually. The word should be here. Can somebody talk with me? The word should be, it can be office. I'm going to what exactly? It can be office. It can be home. It can be shop. It can be what exactly, sir? Shop. And it can be something like a market actually. These are all things. NLP techniques, what it will do, whenever you are speaking anything, what is the next word? It can do the prediction. Next word actually. Whenever you are typing over the Google or what exactly, sir? Google. Whenever you are typing, automatically it will try to predict what is the next word actually. Right? ChatGPT will do the same thing. ChatGPT will do the same thing. Whenever you're typing anything, automatically. There is a one good website, sir. Even today also, there are few websites. Seriously, very good actually. If you give me 1 minute, I will show you that. All right, we'll see. Maybe I will cross verify and I will show you. There is a one diagram. That diagram it will show you how you are going to get the prediction words actually. How you are going to get what exactly? Prediction words. Prediction words. It's okay. Let's move on, please. Now, let me repeat one more time. We need to understand more about the text related data. We need to understand. I mean to say, when you're talking something, before only if I understand, I can get ready with the answer actually. So that's what the main motto. Text data also having the separate methodologies to analyze the data. So backend it is using NLP techniques. What techniques? Simple. The total chat GPT belongs to NLP only. The total chat GPT, like a text related data. What data? Text to text translation, understanding, creating the text message. The short name for NLP, natural language processing, is NLP. NLP is the way of computers to analyze. What is that one, sir? Analyze, understand, and derive meaning from human languages, such as English, Spanish, Hindi, actually. Let us take a robo, something like whenever you are saying hi, how it is telling, first of all, it is analyzing what you are saying and it is understanding and it is the deriving the meaning. What is the meaning of hi actually? Then automatically it is replying hello, good evening, something like that actually, right? A computer's backend it will apply NLP techniques. What techniques actually? NLP techniques to respond for your instruction, to respond for your instruction. With NLP, machine learning algorithms can be applied to the speech and text actually. In over NLP also we can apply kind of some algorithms. NLP popularity is raising every day. NLP popularity is what exactly, sir? Raising every day. Exactly. In the year of 2018, in the year of what exactly? 2018, there was a one, research paper was released actually, which was released by Google company. From there, the NLP techniques became more and more popular actually. Okay. Yes, the popularity of NLP is raising every day. With NLP, best example, let me tell you, we are just starting position. The whole world is especially NLP technique starting position. If you focus more on NLP, that is seriously amazing. With NLP, come on, listen carefully. With NLP, a computer can understand the human language while speaking. A computer can understand what exactly, sir? Human language. Best example, a robot. When you're talking, it will understand automatically. By using big data, we can make communication in between human and machine actually. So definitely, do you think machine is talking? How the machine is talking, for machine also big data is required. Like in a machine learning, how we train actually for normal ML algorithms, I mean NLP algorithms also, big data is really required. With NLP and intelligent systems such as a robo can perform according to our instruction actually. Simple, sir. I hope you already know Robo movie, you knows very well, right? Yeah. How it is responding, simple. The backend, it was trained with NLP according to the discussion. But do you think Shankar really trained actually? I hope you know who is the Shankar. Who is the director, sir? Yeah, good. Important components in NLP. So there are mainly two components in NLP. So the first one is a syntax. What is the first one? Syntax. The next one is a semantic analysis. What is the next one? Semantic analysis. Good. So syntax explains about the arrangement of words in a sentence and grammar as well actually. Now good. I'm going to show few NLP techniques actually. Whenever you're applying that NLP technique, good. Hello, good evening. Good evening. So back in the NLP technique, what it will do, sir, it will understand the meaning actually, and it will check the grammar. It will check what exactly grammar, and any errors are available. It will cross verify actually. Like this, NLP techniques will apply a lot of formulas in the backend, and it will correct the sentence also. It will correct even Google whenever you are writing something like a hello, good, so something like a wrong meaning also. I mean, it will fix automatically. Why? Because it is finding the errors and it is fixing automatically. Did you understand? Good. So there are mainly two components in NLP. The first one is what exactly, sir? Syntax. Next one is a semantic analysis. Syntax explain about the arrangement of the words in a sentence and grammar as well. NLP makes use of syntax analysis to get the meaning of from language. Simple, sir. When I'm talking, what kind of analysis you have done in your brain actually? NLP technique also will do the same analysis. Okay. Some syntax techniques like a parsing. What is the first one? Simple. Parsing means reading. Next one, word segmentation. What is the next one, sir? Word segmentation. Also called as a tokenization. Also called as what exactly? In generative AI, this is the topmost topic actually. Very, very important. The topic name is called as a token. What is the topic name? Token. This I can help you. I know especially. Open AI tokenizer. Tokenizer. Good. Sir, first, whenever you're talking anything especially, what ChatGPT will do, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. So, yeah. Now observe this one actually. What exactly it is happening, sir? It's a very simple. The point will be, hello, good evening. How many words would you have? Three words. Here, every word is called as a token. Every word is called as what exactly? So the way when you are texting backend, it will automatically started counting actually how many characters are. Now, if you want, you can just try to take a normal symbol also. Please observe this one. Even this one also it is considering like what exactly? Token only. Did you understand? This is called as a word segmentation. What is this one? Also called as a tokenization. What is that one, sir? Tokenization. Simple, do one thing. Go to the Google. You can just try to cross verify OpenAI tokenizer. OpenAI tokenizer actually. Sir, let me show you one real-time example so that I'm sure all my explanation you will understand very clearly. Let me show you one real-time example. One real-time example. Come on, please look at my screen, everyone. Let me drink water. Coming Saturday, we do have a session. Coming Saturday, we do have a session. Good. Let me take one real-time example which is related to NLP. Which is related to what exactly? NLP. Good. One thing. Look at my screen. I'm planning to buy one mobile, sir. Buy one mobile actually. My budget will be, just imagine, 10 to 15K, or else 10K is my budget actually. Then there are two types of persons. Person number one, he never think, nothing. I mean, he never think actually go to the shop, go to what exactly shop, buy mobile immediately. Buy mobile what exactly? Immediately. Yeah, good. Second scenario, tell me. Yeah, very good. Checking the reviews. Checking what exactly? Reviews. Which mobile I need to buy. These are all things actually. Where I need to check? Any idea? Come again? Yeah, Google or Amazon. Am I right? Yeah, come on. Let's do one thing. You can just try to open Amazon. Samsung 10K, 10K mobiles. You can just try to observe here actually. Let us just try to take which one having more reviews. You can just try to open this. Look at my screen, sir. Yeah, very good. Now talk with me. What is the mobile cost? Tell me. On an average, 10,000. On an average, how much actually? 10,000. Sir, here, what is this one? Reviews. Please, you know that one. What is that? Reviews actually. Now tell me, reviews, is it numbers or text data? Text data. What data? Means back in Google, I mean, Amazon will apply NLP technique over the text data. NLP technique over what exactly? The text data. Let me tell you. If I wanted to read the review, can I read the 21K, sir? Can I read actually? It's too difficult. Then what we can do? Just try to click on this one. And what will apply, on an average, fifth one. You can just try to click on this one and you can apply. But what Amazon done, recently, there was a new feature came actually. They was deployed one NLP technique actually. That NLP technique will try to read all reviews and it will provide, this is called as a NLP technique, AI generated, so the total 21,000 reviews it was read actually. It has read automatically. Now customer is saying like this, can somebody read what is this one? AI generated. Instead of you already NLP technique read that all 21 images, 21,000 reviews actually, and it is providing what it is providing, customers are happy with the value of this cellular mobile. First point, people who are all but they're happy actually. However, some customers have reported issues with the charging of heating problem is there. Sir, if you wanted to understand heating problem, you need to read minimum 100 reviews actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Next one is what exactly? Opinions are mixed to speed, battery life. Yeah, value for money. Really very good. Next one, quality. Not enabled means okay. Okay, kind of quality. Performance is good. Battery is good. Speed is okay. Appearance is good. Charging is not up to the mark. Next one is what exactly? This is seriously very good actually. Backend they applied NLP technique. What technique applied actually? I have a one more point. Now this kind of reviews you can see. Now please look at this one. What is this product, sir? Go back. The product will be Samsung. The two Samsung. How many reviews would you have? 21,000 reviews. Am I right? Now do one thing. iPhone 15 Pro. Let us just have to check this one. Come on, look at my screen very clearly. What I'm trying to explaining, here more reviews are available. On an average, minimum 100 plus reviews are available. Then only you can see this kind of thing actually. If reviews are not available, you cannot see this one. Why? Any reason? Yeah, because NLP required data. NLP required what exactly? Data. That's what. Now read this point actually. What is that point? Backend it is using big data. By using the data, we can communicate. There is a one point, sir. 1 point. Big data. Where is that word? Third point. With NLP, an intelligent system such as a robot can perform according to our instruction issued in the plain. Sir, where is the big data word? Yeah, I'm sorry. Come on, I'm sorry. By using big data, by using what exactly? Big data. Big data in the sense on an average 100K reviews. 21K reviews is really big data, sir. Did you understand or not? Good. Hope you understand. It will apply. These are all techniques actually. I'm sorry. Yesterday, no sleeping due to some production work. There were mainly two components in NLP. The first one is a syntax. Next one is what exactly? Semantic analysis. I already read these are all things. Second one is what exactly, sir? Parsing. First one is a means reading. Your NLP technique will read the text actually. Second one is a word segmentation, also called as a tokenization. What is that one? tokenization. Next one, sentence breaking. Sentence tokenization, word tokenization. There are two types actually. First one is a word tokenization. Next one is a sentence tokenization. There is a some grammar we can see. Sir, these are all we can apply. These are all we can see. Don't worry. But there is a one word I wanted to show you. Yeah. Look at this one. Did you remember whenever when I'm discussing about the deep learning actually, deep learning, there are mainly three types of techniques. The first one is a ANN. What is the first one? Artificial neural network, also called as a FFNN actually, feed forward neural network. Second one is CNN. Third one is RNN. Third, third one is RNN, sir. Good. So this is completely image analysis, also called as a this we can achieve by using computer vision. What is that one? Computer vision. Till now, what I explained in a deep learning, those are all examples are belongs to ANN. Those are all examples belongs to what exactly? ANN. Now, computer vision, when I started actually, that those are all examples are belongs to CNN. What is that one, sir? RNN. Simple belongs to text analytics, text to data analytics, text to data analytics actually. Did you understand? I need a response actually. Good. Hope you understand. Now read this point. Deep learning importance. Most of the current approaches to NLP are using deep learning. Mean to say that backend they are using the deep learning actually. Deep learning is the type of artificial intelligence that relies, means trust on the patterns in the data, improve the understanding of the program. Yeah, we'll see. These are all, we'll see the model actually. Sir, what is this one? Any idea? NLTK. Good. This point you need to understand, sir. To do the data analysis, what is the library name we need to install? Pandas. To do the data visualization, what is the libraries we need to install? Matplotlib. Next one is Seaborn actually. These are all. Yeah. To do the array creation, what is the library? NumPy. NumPy actually. NumPy. To do the text analytics actually, also called as a NLP, then definitely there is a library. The base library is a NLTK. What is that library name? Natural Language Toolkit. I would like to say this is the basic library. But what is the advanced library? This is the basic library. The advanced library name is a Spacey. What is advanced? Not spicy actually. Spacey. Spacey. This is the very advanced library. And one more advanced library is a Hugging Face. Hugging Face actually. Hugging Face. Yeah. And we'll see. These are all libraries. We'll see step by step. All right. Let's move on. Come on. NLTK means Natural Language Toolkit. It is a Python, sir. If it is not Python, why I will discuss actually. Remember one thing, in data science, there are more Python related libraries. There are more what exactly? Python related libraries. It is a open source library. To install this library, pip install NLTK. Pip install what exactly? Simple, as simple as that. Can we do that? Till date, if you wanted to know how many libraries got installed, yesterday I already told actually. What is the command? Any idea? Not for you. Good. Let me tell you. Till now, I just wanted to know how many packages or libraries I have installed. If you wanted to know, just here you can enter pip list actually. What is the command? Pip list. List out all, pip. With pip command, what are libraries I have installed, you can list out actually. It is taking some time. It is loading a lot of things actually. Good. Kindly please observe here. There are some predefined supporting libraries also would have. You can cross verify pandas. Where pandas, sir? Yeah, here it is the pandas. Same thing like a matplotlib actually. Seaborn, these are all things. Now, can somebody tell me what is the library? What is the command name? Pip list. Pip list. Now let me show you. Let me try to uninstall NLTK and let me just try to install. Yeah, seriously, I wanted to uninstall. I have uninstalled, sir. Let me install this. Pip install NLTK. Let me install this. Yeah, kindly please observe this. Seems to be the updated library is being getting adding. Yeah, good. NLTK. We have installed successfully, sir. Look at my screen very clearly. It is a Python module to work with NLP. It is a open source library to install this pip install NLTK. We done successfully. Are you ready? We are jumping into the example. Next one is text triangling and cleaning actually. Good. So here onwards important. So text triangling and cleaning actually. Text triangling and cleaning. Come on, look at my screen, please. Important. Text triangling and cleaning means the ultimate goal of doing the text processing is to machine can understand the text data. Machine can understand what exactly? Text data. Good. Let me tell you. So sometimes, hello, good morning. How are you doing? So how is, how about family members? Family members actually. Good. I would like to say there are group of words. There are what exactly, sir? Group of words. I would like to say like this. We have a one paragraph, man. What exactly? Can somebody talk with me? What would you have? One paragraph. Then whenever you are applying NLP technique, the first technique will be paragraphs will be converted into sentence tokenization. What tokenization, sir? Sentence tokenization. Paragraph supposed to be converted into what exactly? Sentence supposed to be converted into word tokenization. Sentence supposed to be am I right or not, sir? Best example, you have given one paragraph actually. Can I read the whole paragraph in one shot? No. I myself try to divide sentence by sentence. First sentence, second sentence, third sentence. That is called as a sentence tokenization. That is called as what exactly? Sentence tokenization. Second one is word tokenization. Second one is what exactly? Sometimes whenever you are getting this kind of sentence actually, there are some symbols, we will ignore that symbol actually. Am I right or not, sir? This is called as a cleaning. What is this one? Cleaning. Text cleaning actually. And there are some stop words also we are going to move in today chapter. We are going to do these are all things actually. I'm going to take the text data. We can apply these are all techniques. Kindly please focus. Sir, if you are trying to understanding NLP, chart GPT, what exactly it is doing in the backend, minimum 45% you will understand actually. 45% I can give you guarantee. If you are able to understand NLP, how it is working, ChatGPT backend exactly it is applying all these techniques, what we are covering. So please focus. All right, let's move. We will observe here. Now, text processing is very important as it is helping us to understand our data better and gain insights from it actually. Text processing normally involves the following steps. First one is a tokenization. First one is what exactly? There are two types. First one is a sentence tokenization. Next one is a word tokenization. Next one is a, do you think lemon water? Lemmatization. What is that one, sir? Lemmatization actually. Next one is the stemming. Next one is the stop word removal. These are all four things are important actually. We'll see step by step. Sir, any NLP example, the very first step, this step we need to do. The very first step, this step we need to do. What is this step? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Sir, in my fourth standard, I got a one prize actually. That prize will be English dictionary. English dictionary. That too, the dictionary name is a Shankar Narayanas actually. Shankar Narayanas dictionary. Why I'm telling this one, not to boost actually. Let me tell you. Shankar Narayanas dictionary. In my fourth standard, on an average, 1,000 words. How many words actually? This is in the, let me tell you, 19s, 90s actually, 90s, 90s. But let me tell you, in a 2024, in a same dictionary, in what exactly, sir? Same dictionary. Do you think 1,000 words only will available? Yeah, I hope you understand. 1,000 words plus updated words actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right. Now you already installed NLTK actually. Sometimes in between what happened, library may get update actually. Library may get what exactly? If you wanted to get that updated things also, first you need to run this command. What is that command? Import NLTK. NLTK dot download of PUNKT. You need to run this one actually. Then here we supposed to see package is up to date. Package is what exactly? Did you understand or not? Let me run this example very quickly. Uh, Let's demo1.py. Can you kindly please observe here? Demo1.py. Yeah. So this one should be up to date. This one should be what exactly, sir? Up to date. You should get that command. Then only these examples will be run actually. Okay. Fine then. Let us move on very quickly. So this is the just NLTK. Either it is updated or not, we are cross verifying. Now this is important, sir. The first one is called as a sentence splitting. What is the first one? Sir, damn sure interview question. So please, I need your attention actually. So please observe this one. Hmm. Let me take one small sentence. That sentence will be S equals to, let me just try to take this sentence. First of all, we will apply normal Python technique actually. My string. Good. We'll do one thing. This is Daniel. This is Mr. Daniel actually. 1 minute, sir. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Can I say sentence number one? Good. So this is Mr. Daniel. Good. After course is done, I will help resume preparation. Preparation. Let me take one. There are 2 marks actually. So kindly prepare very well the subject. Kindly prepare the subject very well actually. Sir, I have a questions for you. Get ready to understand. Now, where are all dot is available? Can somebody tell me? I have a question for you. Can I say this is the one sentence? Tell me. Very good. Do you think from here to here one sentence actually? No, very good. It is not a sentence. It is not what exactly? Sentence. Let me apply string split method. What method actually? Split method, that too based on this dot separator. What separator? Dot separator. Let us apply. I hope you know, right? Split method, sir. You should know actually. Split method. Now here you can just try to apply dot actually. Now let us just try to apply this one. What exactly happened, you know? Hi, good evening everyone. This is Mr. Breaking. I mean to say that string also can do the text processing, but the problem with the string will be string is not that much intelligent enough actually. It cannot recognize the difference between Mr. Daniel and MR dot actually. Did you understand or not? But NLP technique can recognize. I'm going to apply NLP technique actually. NLP technique never break this word actually. It never break that word. It never break that word. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Let me read that point. So generally, we used to understand the sentence by reading the words. We will start reading the sentences to understand the paragraph. So paragraph, we need to split into the set of sentences. If somebody have given the paragraph, first of all, we need to divide the total paragraph into sentence. Sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. How we can recognize which one is a sentence? Only the root is dot notation. What notation, sir? That is a dot separator actually, right? Good. This we can easily do by using NLTK package. See, this we applied by using Python. This we applied by using what exactly? Python string actually. Did you understand? This is the problem. Am I right or not, sir? But the same technique, let me apply by using NLTK. Let me apply by using what exactly, sir? NLTK. I have a question. Come on. Is it functional method? Very good. And what is the package name? From NLTK dot tokenize import sent underscore tokenize. Did you understand? Good. Now here a small point I need to tell regarding the yesterday discussion. Sir, tokenize can be module or package name. Instead of that one, INAT file may be available. What is available? INAT file may be available. But anyway, you can ignore the discussion. This is at least recognized that is a function actual. Did you understand or not? Please, you should not forget that one. Let me take this one, and here you can just try to apply. And let me try to call the function. That function name is a sent tokenize. What is that function name, sir? Sent tokenize. Sent tokenize. It's a very simple. Call this function and provide your string actually. Provide your string. Please understand how it is doing. Now you can kindly please observe the difference. First one we processed the text by using string actually. First one we processed the we process string by using string actually. Hi, good evening, everyone. Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. That is okay. This is Mr. Sir. This is seriously very good. I need a response. Did you understand? I mean to say that this function is really very good to process the text data. To process what exactly? It is recognizing this is not a end of the sentence. But this is what exactly, sir? Talk with me. End of the sentence actually. See, please observe here. After course is done, I will help you to prepare very well the subject actually, and after course is done, I will help you to prepare the exam, and kindly do preparation actually, kindly do preparation. That is okay, but here it is breaking the rule actually. But did you understand? I need a response, man. Good. Now move on to the next one. We can understand it from the above output. The paragraph was split into the what exactly? Exact sentences. Now let me tell you, there is a text data. Look at my screen, please. There is a text data. There is what exactly, sir? Text data. This text data we can process by using python string, by using what exactly, sir? Python string, and by using nlt nlp techniques actually. Nlp what exactly? Techniques. But sorry for saying, this is not much powerful. Why? Because just split method itself is failing to recognize the difference between Mr. and Miss actually. Now this is very powerful. It is not a powerful. And this what exactly, sir? Very powerful actually. Very powerful. Hope you understand. Okay. Can I ask you one thing? What is the function name, sir? Sent tokenize. What is the function? Sent tokenize. This is called as a sentence tokenization. What tokenization? Sentence tokenization. Next one is the word tokenization, sir. Yeah, first of all, let me tell you what do you mean by tokenization. Tokenization. I'm not talking about the according to the chart GPT. I'm talking about according to the NLP technique. NLP technique. Sir, in NLP, the first input is a paragraph. Input is what exactly? Paragraph. Paragraph. So assuming that this paragraph having some 5 sentences. How many sentences are actually? 5 sentences. Just try to imagine actually. Then sentence tokenization means, all 5 sentences will be separated actually. I would like to say first sentence, second sentence actually, second sentence, like this respectively. How many sentences? Talk with me. Fifth sentence actually, something like this. I mean to say that there are mainly two tokenizations. First one is a sentence tokenization. First one is what exactly? Then after that, word tokenization. After that, what exactly, sir? Word tokenization. When I'm talking about the word tokenization, all the sentence tokenization, it will be split actually. Here let me take here 10 words would you have. How many words would you have, sir? 10 words actually. It will be start splitting. Here would you have something like a 20 words would you have. These are all, it will be splitting actually. Now I have a question. If somebody is giving the paragraph actually, somebody is giving what exactly? Paragraph. Talk with me. There are two tokenizations you need to apply. How many tokenizations? First one is sentence tokenization. Very good, sir. Thank you. Second one is perfect. I hope you understand. Word tokenization. Word tokenization. Let me drink water. So Tokenization refers to process by which large text into broken down into various pieces actually. Simple, sir. We are cutting the sentences and words. Very simple. In NLP, a token is a minimal piece of text information a machine can understand. A text can be tokenized into two ways. Either it can be sentence tokenization. Next one, it is what exactly? Word tokenization, sir. Simple. Now I'm going to apply word tokenization. Are you ready? Yeah, let us just try to apply. This theory I can read. Hold on, actually. Kindly please observe here. If I wanted to apply word tokenization, look at my screen. Please look at my screen. I'm taking a string. These are sentences. Let us tokenize it. There is a special symbol. Run it. There is a special symbol. We can call a method. What is that method name? Split. We know very well. But here, these are sentences. This is okay. Sir, by default, what is a separator? Space. What is a separator? Space. Where are all space is available, it is separating actually. Tokenize it, run it actually. Yeah, good. Let me tell you, what is the problem here, sir? Again, you need to process this text actually. What do you mean by that? This no need to process, no need to process. This one we need to process. Dot we need to delete. What we need to delete? Am I right? And here also we need to delete what exactly? Extra symbol. Right, good. But let us apply word token. Let us try to apply word tokenization. What tokenization? Yeah, good. First of all, let me run this example. You already know this kind of example. Yeah, kindly please observe here. Kindly please observe here actually. Now move on to here. Sir, can somebody look at me? Previously, the function name is a sent underscore tokenize. Now the function name is a word underscore tokenize. What is the function name? Word underscore tokenize. Nothing is there. Take this one. You will understand. Call this function and provide here is the parameter. What is that parameter? My string. Now run this example. Sir, go look at my screen. Here, I hope you understand. One minute. Now let me run. Offline team, you are unable to see. Now you can see the output actually. Yeah, you can see the output. These are sentences here. Dot came, sir. What came actually? Dot came. Dot came. This generally, if you are using split method, dot special symbol also including. This is seriously problem. Again, we need to process. How to process any idea? In a string, there is a method. That method name is a is alpha. What is that method name? You need to call that one more time actually to delete this one. Either it is alphabet or not, we need to delete actually. But here, look at me. These are sentences. Dot symbol separately available. This one is separately it is available. This one is separately available. Sir, this we can remove very easily. Very easily actually. I need a response. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. What exactly happening, previously I have shown one example, right? Even every word, it is a token along with symbol. Along with what exactly? Symbol. Let's do one thing. How many tokens should you have, take the same example. You can just try to apply. You can just, sorry. Open AI tokenizer. You can just try to click on this one. Open AI means it is a company created by, the one who created ChatGPT actual. Kindly please observe here. Please try to notice here, sir. Everything is a kind of some quite different color. Online team, hold on, sir. I'm getting office call actually. Sorry, let's move on. Now, please understand here. Automatically, it is counting the characters. Very good. And it is applying the tokens actually. These separate word or separate word, sentence separate word. Dot is a separate word. Dot is what exactly? Separate word. Good. It is recognizing and applying colors also. This example we can draw. I will show you. In NLP, you are going to get actually. Now let me tell you the one point actually. Sir, chat GPT means especially, so no doubt at all, these are all algorithms only. Instead of algorithms, what we need to call, algorithms. I would like to say models. What models, sir? Text models. What models actually? Text models actually. It is going to process more text related data. What data, sir? Text related data. It was processed with very huge data sets, boss. Very huge data sets. I hope you understand this example. First one is a sentence tokenization. Next one is a word tokenization. Next one is what exactly, sir? Word tokenization. Good. Look at this example. Observe this output actually. Compared to the previous output and this output actually, special symbols we are ignoring. Previously, we got a special symbols also. We got what exactly, sir? In a given sentence actually, in the given sentence, we are getting special symbol. Dot we are getting. Okay. A surprise symbol we are getting. It is okay. But Daniel, I wanted to filter this special symbol. Is it possible? Possible, sir. Then here you need to understand one more function. Function name is a regex. What is that one, sir? Regex means regular expression. This is the pure Python based topic actually. By using that, you can just try to filter actually. By using that, we can just try to filter. We need to call that function. There are two parameters. First parameter is a my string. Second parameter is a keyword argument. What is the second parameter? Here W means I need only words. W means I need only what exactly, sir? Sir, if you apply this pattern, automatically where are all special symbols are available, it is removing. It is removing actually. Interview question. They will ask about in a sentence, would you have a special words? How to delete means we need to apply this function. What is that function name? Regex underscore tokenize. Regular expression. Regex means. Text based NLP techniques, sir. These are all. And here what you need to understand, pattern equals to kindly run this example. First of all, let me print input my string. Yeah, good. So these are sentences. Let us tokenize it and run it actually. So these are all deleted automatically and space also deleted. Did you understand? Yeah, good. This is called as a text cleaning. This is called as what exactly, sir? Text cleaning actually. Text cleaning. Actual meaning will come from the word. Will come from what exactly, sir? Word actually. Right? These are sentences. These are all. There is a meaning. Yeah. Now look at my example. Please understand this. These are three sentences. Let us tokenize them and run the code actually. Regular expression only we are using, but pattern is changing. Here D means I need only digits. Hey Daniel, I have a one sentence. Inside of that sentence, there are numbers. There are what exactly? Numbers. Can I capture only numbers actually? Sir, you can capture. You can capture. Let me just try to apply this. Let me take the string. S equals to, this is Daniel and age is 16 and mobile number. Take my mobile number and my location is Kaikalur and pin code is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 actually. Good. All right. Let me just try to print this. Sir, how many numbers? Tell me. 1 2 3. I wanted to print only numbers, sir. Can we print actually? Easy. Very easy. Then you can just try to apply this function. Regular expression tokenize function. This function is taking care automatically. And here, call this function. Takes two parameters. Parameter number one, input string. Parameter number two, pattern. Here input string is what exactly? Yes. And P2 is, now look at my screen, pattern equals to, I need only digits. So that is a syntax. You have to follow that one. Digits actually. Run this example. Are you ready? How many we are going to get? 1 2 3. No doubt in that, sir. We got error, right? Good, man. But the two list of strings we are getting, what we are getting? I wanted to convert it, but I needed numbers. What we need to do? Any idea? What we need to do? Any idea? We are getting list of strings, but this string I don't want actually. I need only numbers. Can we apply list comprehension? Can we apply list comprehension? Come on, let us apply. Result equals to, or let me store this one in separately. Yeah, good. Let me print this here. It is returning list of strings. Let us apply list comprehension. Let us apply what exactly? I hope you know what is a list comprehension. Please, list comprehension P1. Next one is P2. And now we just try to come here for I in A. And here what I need to write? Integer of, that's it. Did you understand? Simple list comprehension. This is exactly list comprehension. I hope you already know what is a list comprehension. Sir, I have a simple question. Till now we covered three functions actually. First function name is a sent underscore tokenize. Next one is a word underscore tokenize. Next function is a regular expression underscore regex. Regular expression actually tokenize. Good. Let's move on. Text processing. These are all text processing. Next one is the stemming. What is the topic name, sir? Stemming. What happened? Some sound came, right? Huh? Okay. Yeah. Good. This is another step in a text triangling. So, come on, look at my screen. Sir, these are all techniques you need to understand. So the next technique name is called as a stemming. I will read this theory. Hold on. First of all, kindly please look at my screen actually. Talk with me. What is this? Very good. And we are creating an object. We are calling what exactly? Method. We are calling what exactly? Method. Here, what is the method name? Stem. Sir, stemming means it's a very simple. You give me some word actually. It will return the root word. It will return what exactly? Root word. Cutting. Cut is a root word. Talking. Tell me. Talk is a going. Go is the root word actually. But let me tell you, stemming is a very basic one. This is having some limitation. I will show you that limitation. To overcome this one, lemmatization topic came. Which topic actually? Lemmatization. We'll see. We'll see. First of all, let me show you this example. Just try to import this one. We are importing so and so class actually. And we are creating an object. By using that object, we are calling a method. By using that object, we are calling a method. Still, are we getting? We can stop if you are getting. Okay. So please observe here. Cutting. This is the word actually. We are getting a kind of some root word. Let us take these are all words, man. Let us take these are all words actually. Please observe here. Let me take a group of words. And over these words, let us just try to apply the same technique actually. We are importing the class and list of words wait, waiting, waited, waits actually. We are creating an object. By using for loop, we are iterating each every word by word actually. Then ps dot stem of, instead of hard coding the word, we are taking the word from for loop. Did you understand or not? Good. Let us just try this one actually, sir. Come on. Hmm. What we need to do, create an object for this. Obj equals to, we are creating an object. Very good. Then for word in words. Am I right? Then let us just try to print word. But that is not my intention. I just wanted to apply a stemming topic over that one. Yeah, first of all, we are getting either words or not. Kindly please observe here. Wait, waiting, waited, waits actually. It's a very good. Now you can just try to come here. Result equals to obj dot, what is the method name? Good. And here you need to provide word. Now let us just try to print what exactly, sir? Result. Now let me just try to run this example. From that one, every word we are getting the root word. We are getting what exactly? Root word. But stemming is a kind of some basic. This works in a only basic word actually. If you are giving any advanced word, gone case. Will not get a proper output actually. We'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Look at my screen. Let me explain one by one actually. First of all, understand this. Let me take this one separately. Now, I would like to take this one. We are importing NLTK. Next one is a Porter stemmer we are importing actually. This is the predefined class. This is what exactly, sir? Predefined class. Now, let's move on. We are creating an object to the Porter stemmer. We are creating object to whom actually? Porter stemmer. Now, let us just try to create this one. Yeah, good. This is a kind of some small object. Any object we are creating. Next one, let us take a string. Study, studying, cry, cry. We have taken a string actually. Can I apply word tokenization? Can I apply what exactly? Can we apply? You know, right, sir? Yeah, how to apply, You can just try to call word tokenize function. Then you will get a all words actually. Word tokenization, word tokens, word tokens. Now, just try to see. Do you want to see the result? First of all, you can just try to print a text. Then next you can print what exactly, sir? W. W what exactly? Token. Tim, are you getting your one? Good, thank you. Let's move on. Yeah, please. I hope you already know. First of all, we are converted this one into list actually. Why I converted? So I just wanted to apply for loop actually. I just wanted to call stem method over all these words actually. What are words would you have? Tell me. Studies, studying, cries, cry. Let me apply. Hope you know how to apply actually. Come on, I need your help. For word in, tell me. Come again. Yeah, good. Now print off. Let me print directly. Obj dot. What is the method name? Stem. Then here let us take a word. Look at my screen, sir. Surprisingly, we'll get a different answer actually. Yeah, keep it that one, the same thing actually. Sir, studies. Stemming is giving the word as what exactly? Studio or STUDI. First of all, do you have English that word actually? It is failing literally. Next one, again it is giving STUDI. And it cries. What is the root word? Sir, you should know everyone. Cry actually. The next one is what is that? It is okay. Sorry, sir, it is not even okay actually. Now, what I need to say is, it is not working properly. For basic words, it is working. To overcome this one, we got another topic actually. The topic name is a lemmatization. What is the topic name? Go back and let me explain the theory. I skipped the theory, right? So simple. Stemming. This is the another step in a text strangling. This is the another step in text strangling actually. From the name, you can get the meaning cutting down into a token as a root stem actually. Stemming algorithm works by cutting a suffix from the word. In simple, it cuts the either the beginning or end of the word actually. Consider the word is a cutting. And what is the root word, sir? Cut actually. Sir, what is the next topic? Tell me. Lemmatization. Simple man. There is again a class. Tell me, what is the next step? Object creation. Next one. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Nothing is there. Till now, you should understand that pattern actually. Let me explain the example first actually. Let me explain the example first, then you will understand very clearly. Lemmatize, corpora, kind of some group of words actually. Hold on. Let me go to the next example. Let us apply here. You will understand this one. What is the class name? Talk with me. Word net lemmatizer. Good. Let us apply this one, sir. Same example, let me take. Nowadays, who all know NLP techniques, they are having huge demand actually. They are having huge demand, especially in your resume if you specify. But let me tell you, NLP is an optional whenever you're trying for the job actually. And machine learning is a mandatory. Machine learning is what exactly? Let me tell you one point. Assuming that you're going for interview, you're going for what exactly, sir? Interview. So there are things you kept in your resume, and assuming that Python, next one is the pandas, next one is the ML. The one who is taking interview, he never look at your resume, and he will not ask a question like, did you work in Python or not? He will not ask a question directly. He will ask question in a Python. Then he never ask a question, do you know pandas or not actually? Even he never ask a question, do you know machine learning or not actually? Why? Because being a data scientist, the base is the ML actually. Next one is what exactly? Now he will ask a question. Did you work in a deep learning project? Means what I mean to say, you may not get a opportunity in a company to work in a DL. Then he is cross questioning. If you work, do let me know what work you done. Same thing like that. He never look at your resume. He will ask a question. Did you got any chance to work in NLP or not actually? Did you work in that? But the same question, do you think they will ask in Python? Why? Sir, that is the base. Please. That is the base actually. Okay. Still it is an optional, but if you nowadays it is huge demand. NLP techniques, who knows very well? Very huge demand, sir. Good. Where are we? We are importing so and so. We are just trying to word net lematizer. We are creating an object and we are taking actually. We are applying tokenization. Hope you know these are all stuff very well. Sir, just tested. I have covered a method. Method name is a format method. Am I right? Am I right or not? Good. I hope you already know the topic. If you don't know also, that is fine. Let me just try to print text. First of all, look at the text. Let me just try to print tokens. Run this example. Very quickly run this example. Come on, look at my screen. Yeah, studies, studying, cries, cry. Now I need actual exact root word actually. Then stemming is failing. Let us apply lemmatization, sir. First of all, let us just try to capture word by word. For word in, tell me, tokens. Now print word. Let me print one by one word, sir. Yeah, we are printing actually. Get ready. I'm going to call a method. What is that method name, sir? Method name is a lemmatize. What is that method name actually? Yeah, by using this object, we need to call a method. Method name is a lemmatize. We need to provide the parameter actually. Simple. You can just try to come here. Take this object name. Let me tell this is the obj. Obj dot method name lemmatize. I have a question for you. Can I ask a question? This method is available inside of this one. What is the proof? You should remember that one. And here you need to call a word. Now get ready. Sir, this is the root word. Kindly please observe here. For studies, what is the root word? Study. Studying, what is the root word? Studying only it is giving. Cries, what is the root word? Cry. Cry, it is cry actually. This is seriously good rather than stemming topic actually. Good. Kindly please observe here. There is a meaning. This example, what is a rocks, corp? I mean, this is a group of sentences actually. Positional kind of some, either it is the adjective or not, who can recognize. This I can cover in upcoming example. Hold on. Lemmatization is a more advanced compared to the stemming. It follows the specific rules to get the result. It's not like a that much very easy. Whenever it is walking through the word, it will understand the meaning. It will apply the grammar. These are all things it will apply actually. It understand the context, parts of this page to understand the root of the word actually. Context. I will give small assignment. Kindly please do that one. Assignment. Simple. Open www.openai.com. What is the website name? openai.com. Just try to register. Try to sign in with Gmail actually. Sign in with what exactly? Gmail. Just try to do that one. Maybe till tomorrow. Just try to walk through that one. Why? Because nowadays almost all companies are trying to using OpenAI API. One more time, OpenAI API actually. What you need to do, just try. You can just try to let me. First of all, do you have a ChatGPT account? Same, sir. OpenAI website. I hope you know this one. OpenAI.com actually. You know, OpenAI, artificial intelligence. First of all, this is not a technology. It is a company name. What exactly, sir? Company name. Click on this. Then, whenever you are clicking on this one, API, sign in. Good. You can just try to click on Open API sign up actually. You no need to provide these are all things. Just try to continue with what exactly, sir? Google account. You can just try to continue with Google account. And let me continue. Yeah, it's okay. 655. Sir, spend some time. First of all, being a data scientist especially, current which technology is booming, you should understand. Open API is really booming, nowadays actually. You should have an idea. Maybe one day I can take half an hour time is enough actually. What is this introduction? What is this role? Kindly please walk through. What are models would you have? You can just try to click here somewhere you can check the models actually. Somewhere you can check the models. Yeah. Models actually. These are all open AI related models. Kindly please walk through. Sir, pure Python code. I have a question for you. Get ready. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Yeah, very good. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Hey, nice. Thanks for making fun actually. Morning onwards, I was just now relaxed. Good, very good. It is a class. We are creating an object for that one. We are creating what exactly? Object for that. Simple, sir. With Python, what you know, more than enough, even upcoming things you can understand. That's what I wanted to share with you actually. Sorry. This activity. Before you are coming for tomorrow session, maybe tomorrow only I can help you. What are all these things? Why these things you need to understand actually? Kindly please do this one. Just try to sign in with OpenAI account actually. Okay. Will you do that one? You don't need to create separate account. Just try to sign in with your Gmail account. Yeah. So let me upload them. Let us stop the today's session, sir.